Hi, my name is Jeff Carlson. I'm the Technical Service Manager here at Mullinax Ford. We've built a brand new 56-bay service facility to be able to service our customers' needs in a timely manner. In each of our 56 bays, we've installed personal computers with dual monitors so that the technician can have faster information flow and better communication with the service advisors and the technical support team through Ford Motor Company. We've designed every bay to be as efficient as possible, so the technician does not have to travel very far to get a tool or the information they need to fix your car. In the shop, we designed the shop to be the most efficient that we could. In doing so, we've designed it with 12 oil reels that have 2 air, 1 electrical, water on tap, and then 4 different kinds of oil and 2 different kinds of transmission fluid. At Mullinax Ford, we want to give everybody the best experience that they can possibly have. That's why we have currently 12 senior master technicians on staff that will allow us to fix your vehicle on time and fix it right the first time.
The best part of this new service center for us technicians, I would say the AC. It's nice and cool, keeps us relaxed, easier to work on cars. Just a way better morale in the shop for sure to service our customers. New tools that we have here in our new service center is definitely the tire machines are top of the line. We can go up to a 19.5, so we could do the big trucks. And just all the new racks, 56 of them, and we can get some work done out of here and help our customers get their cars back quicker. The new facility supports us getting stuff a lot quicker with 56 bays. It's just a lot more room. And we got flat stalls with the mobile racks that we can do anything, anywhere.
At Mullinax Ford, one of our business principles is to be clean and well displayed. So every single bay has the same exact type of rack, the same color of rack, and also the same type of toolbox, so that every customer gets the same experience, whether they have a Focus or a Fiesta car, all the way up to an Expedition or an F-350.